Greetings and welcome to Conspicuous TV under the banner of Conspicuous Media. So if you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. So today we're going to talk about Miss South Africa, or our current Miss South Africa, who was crowned on the 24th of October 2020. So our current Miss South Africa is Shudufazo Masida, but majority prefer to call her Shudu, so I'm going to call her Shudu also. So I'm going to talk about things that I think they are interesting for you to know, or things that you might have missed during a question and answers with the press after being crowned. So first of all, as I've mentioned, the full name is Shudufazo Masida. She's from Limpopo in Venda, in a place called Amasia, but currently residing in Johannesburg. So Shudu is just 24 years old. Moving forward to her academics, Shudufazo Masida holds a Bachelor of Social Sciences in Philosophy, Politics and Economics from the University of Pretoria. She is currently pursuing a BA Honours in International Relations at Wits University. So after being crowned, she was asked a few questions. The first question was, what will you do now that you are Miss South Africa? So I quote her answer. She responded, I am passionate about mental health, awareness, and the economic and educational empowerment of women and children, especially in disadvantaged communities. In many disadvantaged and rural communities, mental health is often overlooked and disregarded. As such, destigmatizing mental health will be at the forefront of my social initiatives, as it provides a healthy foundation for issues such as economic and educational empowerment to be tackled successfully. It is more important now more than ever because of COVID-19 to check in on mental health, especially in education sector, with children having to adapt to many changes in their daily lives, and more so disadvantaged communities where poverty has been increased. So the second question was, what do you love about South Africa? So a response was like, the cultures, the food, the people. The people are everything. Also our ability to love and find joy in the darkest moments or times. So what would you like to change about South Africa? The stigma against mental health and the disregard towards the gender-based violence. So moving forward, the next question was like, who is a previous Miss South Africa who has inspired you and why? So a response was like, reigning Miss Universe Zozibini Tunzi inspired me to enter because of her grace and her ability to make a statement without straining her voice. So she was asked, what is your message to young girls and young women in South Africa? A response was like, love yourself first, fight for what you want and for yourself too. But remember, fighting doesn't always have to be loud or vocal. It can be as simple as being silent and choosing to prioritize peace. So the next question was like, who are your role models? So my role models include Michelle Obama, Beyonce, John Morrison, Dr. Phumzile Mlambo, and Amina Mohammed. They are such strong women with so much grace. They inspire me to be better versions of myself. So tell us a bit more about your family. She just said, I live with my mother, Tandi. She's 42 years, and then who is a real estate agent, and I have a little sister who is 13 years old, currently doing grade 8. Going forward, and then what is the one thing people would be surprised to know about you? She just said, I can sing, which means Shudufazo can sing. What is the number one piece of advice that you would give to your younger self? She just said, love yourself. Describe in 3 words. Describe yourself in 3 words. She says, she described herself as a caring, smart, blessed person. And then, what type of music do you listen to? She said she just listened to Asha, disco, gospel in the mornings. And then favorite TV shows, it's Little Fires Everywhere and Fresh Prince of and then a favorite meal being what? Can you guess that what? A favorite meal being sushi. And then she was asked about the who's your local and international celeb crush. Local crush is Trevor Noah, and then she went further by saying if he's still considered local, and then international is Megan. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet on our next video. Thank you so much.